Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your PS3 model and current firmware version, because compatibility prevents bricks. Once done, backup user data to an external USB that preserves saves and settings. Make sure the USB is FAT32 and has the folder path /PS3/update. Next, download the exact CFW package and keep the official OFW PUP handy for recovery. This reduces risk if you need to restore. Now, power off the PS3 fully and prepare to enter recovery mode for the actionable install. You now start the installation by entering safe mode. Hold the power button until 2 beeps, then connect a USB controller and choose the correct recovery options. First, apply the official OFW if the guide requires it, then run the CFW installer package from the USB. During installation, follow prompts slowly and allow any automatic reboots to complete. Interrupting power here causes corruption. After the install, check the XMB for the new firmware version and test the package manager so you confirm the system accepted the custom files. Finish by rebooting and running quick stability checks. Launch a game, verify save loads, and confirm network access. If the system fails to boot or shows errors, don't panic. Enter recovery mode and reinstall the official OFW from your USB or restore the user data backup. That's why you made one. Make sure USB is FAT32 and the PUP/PKG files aren't corrupted. Re-download and reflash the correct CFW build if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. A soft brick often indicates a wrong package. Swap to the precise, compatible file and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.